Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get priority on Wi-Fi. Prioritizing your Wi-Fi connection means you can ensure that your most important devices or applications always receive the necessary bandwidth. This is incredibly useful for activities like online gaming, where every millisecond counts, or for streaming high-definition video without annoying buffering. We will guide you through the steps to adjust your router's settings, giving you more control over your network's performance and ensuring a smoother experience for your critical tasks. First, you need to access your router's administrative interface. You can usually find your router's IP address printed on a sticker on the device itself, or by checking your computer's network settings. Common IP addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Once you have the IP, open any web browser, type the address into the URL bar, and press Enter. You will then be prompted to log in, often with default credentials like admin for both the username and password. Now, let's configure Quality of Service, or QoS. This powerful feature allows you to tell your router which devices or applications are most important, ensuring they get preferential treatment. Look for a section labeled QoS or Bandwidth Control within your router's advanced settings. Here, you can often prioritize specific devices by entering their unique MAC address or even prioritize certain types of internet traffic, such as gaming or video streaming, by specifying port numbers. Adjust the settings to give your critical tasks the highest priority. Once you have configured your QoS settings, it is crucial to test them. Try using the prioritized device or application to see if you notice a significant improvement in performance, such as reduced lag in games or smoother video playback. Also, monitor your network's overall stability to ensure other devices are not experiencing unexpected slowdowns. You might need to return to your router settings and fine-tune the priority levels a few times to achieve the perfect balance for all your connected devices and their various activities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.